Hello YouTube, Sam here from youtube.com/onlivegamer for the new Boston. And in this tutorial we're going to be taking a look at what's called concatenating strings. Now basically what this means is taking one string and adding another string to it. And when you do this, it's stored in another variable. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to create a concatenate demo. So we'll go ahead and go to new project. We will name this string concatenate, and then we'll go ahead and click OK. Make sure you have selected a console application. Now here is module 1. Let's go ahead and zoom in here a bit. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to create a string. So dim user string as string, and we'll go ahead and set that equal to nothing because we're going to have them type in a string. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create another string that will be stored in our program. So dim program string as string, and we'll just set that equal to something like catfish. So now what we're going to do is we're going to prompt the user to enter in a string. So we'll do console.writeLine, type anything you want. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get what they typed. So user string equals console.readLine. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take their user string and add program string to it. But first we're going to print out what they type. So console.writeLine user string, and now what we're going to do is we're going to add program string to it. So user string equals user string plus program string. So basically what this does is it takes user string and adds program string to it, and it makes it all one word. Now let's go ahead, not one word, one string. So let's go ahead and add a space here in catfish, so you will be able to see the space in there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to print out user string again. And then we'll just have the program pause and wait for us to press enter by using console.readLine. And now we'll just run it, and it'll say type anything you want. So if we type in snowboarding, go ahead and press enter, it'll say snowboarding, and then it'll say snowboarding, which is what the user entered, and then it adds program string to that. Now what we can do is we can come back in here and we can add more strings to this. Now these strings don't have to be variables. We can go ahead and add anything we want by enclosing it in quotes. So we'll just type fishing. So now what it's going to do is it's going to take what they typed, add catfish, and then add fishing. Now we can also use this, which is what we've used in several other tutorials. We can use the and sign inside of our console.writeLine statement to add another string to it. So we'll just type hello YouTube. What this does is it takes user string and adds hello YouTube to it for the time being, and then it doesn't save hello YouTube. It's just there when this console.writeLine is called, and then it disappears. So let's go ahead and run this. Now it'll say type anything you want, so I'll just type in Sam. It shows us what we originally typed, and it says Sam catfish fishing hello YouTube. So you can do this any way you want. You could even add another string right here and concatenate as much as you want in the string. But remember, if you use the and sign inside of the arguments for console.writeLine, this is going to be discarded as soon as you're done with this statement, or as soon as the program's done with this statement. So this is a very simple concept, but I wanted to teach you guys that, and it should be easy for you to understand. And once you understand that, go ahead and move on to the next tutorial.